Hi everyone. Let's go and let's talk about the war. We know that India versus Pakistan war started on 7th of May, and most of the people, we all are happy that justice is served and all. But in this video, we'll talk about people who claim or question that why war when you can have peace. Wow, funny. Like in this video, I would like to answer those people claiming that India is brutal, this is disgusting, how can you kill the people, how can you kill children, and that's very inhuman. Guys, please, do you have any idea about how many people have they killed? Do you have any idea about their brutality? Do you have any idea how inhuman they can get with our people? Do you have any fucking idea about that? Do you have any fucking idea about anything? Because this statement that you're passing is making me think that you're the most stupid person on the planet, my friend, and I'll prove it in this video. Like, first thing first, when you question your own country for doing nothing but just protecting you, when you put labels like brutal on your country, and when you talk crap about your own country asking for peace and not the war, you can never be more wrong, my friend. Trust me on that. But first of all, let me clarify that asking for peace is not wrong at all. Peace is literally the most basic human right. So if you're asking for that, there's nothing wrong with that. I get it. But when you question your government, why war, why kill people, my friend, you're questioning every life जो sacrifice होने के लिए रेडी है या जो sacrifice हुई है. I literally hope that people know that they started it with Pahalgam attack, and this thing, honestly, the fact is this thing is like really personal to me. I haven't been able to sleep in peace since the day I have heard about that, the Pahalgam attack. If we'll think about it, the Pahalgam attack was on the innocent people wanting nothing but some happy time with their own loved ones. It's literally very personal knowing that I wear this Raksha Sutra in my hand सालों से, और अगर मैं वहाँ होती तो मुझसे पूछने की भी जहमत नहीं करते कि मैं हिंदू हूँ या मुस्लिम हूँ, मुझे देखते और मुझे मार डालते. That's what they were doing to them. Now guys, come on, everybody who is against the war, I want you guys to imagine yourself there. आप अपने आप को उस जगह पे इमेजिन करो कि आपके सर पे बंदूक तानी गई और Q&A राउंड हो रहा है कि आप हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम हो. Can you say that yes, I am Hindu but I'm secular? Can you say that कि please don't do that, that's inhuman, that's brutality, और आपको लगता है कि वो आपको छोड़ देंगे? Is it going to work there? Is it going to work there? And do you really think that they'll let you go? If you really think this is how it works, then I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry for you. And congratulations on your Dululu world. But please, I literally pray that you get something up here and just get aware about the real world. This is not how it works. Peace तब तक peace होती है जब तक दोनों side से आए. एक तरफा peace is कमजोरी. I'm really sorry. That's nothing but weakness. Pure weakness. People suggesting that's not the way. This is not how you should do. Please come the fuck on and give us the better way to do it. Please, if you really think कि देश को चलाने वाले लोग गधे हैं, उनके पास बुद्धि नहीं है, the youth, majority of youth thinks that, please just come up with the better idea, the brilliant mastermind plan, and we'll follow you guys. So I really want to know what you guys expect. अगर आप लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि we'll send some chocolates, some bouquets, some teddy bears and that might help, then guys, wake up. And let me tell you guys, nobody is happy about the war. I am not happy about the war. Yes, I am not happy about the war. No country is happy putting their resources, putting their army on a war, in a war, and wasting it all. But is there any other way to do it? Is there any other way to stop it? No, there's not. So I'm not happy about people dying from any side. I hope you realize कि अगर आप टेररिस्ट को इनवाइट करोगे कि प्लीज कम, हमें सिर्फ टेररिस्ट को मारना है, हमें सिविलियंस को तो मारना ही नहीं है. So I hope you realize that they'll not come up and surrender. We have to extend our lengths. We have to figure out a way to kill terrorists. और अगर टेररिस्ट कैंप पे लोकल लोग मिल रहे हैं तो उसमें हमारी आर्मी की कहाँ से गलती है? लोकल लोग कर क्या रहे हैं वहाँ पे? And the most upsetting and like the worst thing is these questions are coming from the well-educated people. People knowing nothing but questioning government. If government is taking action, then the action is brutal. If government is not taking the action, then government is wrong, dude. And I want to tell you that I'm really happy and I'm really proud on Indian army, on Indian government that we finally chose to answer and not sit back in the name of peace. Last thing I want to tell is that please guys, open your eyes, just come out of your bubble, because if you cannot respect motherland, I cannot maintain brotherhood. That's it. That's all what I want to say, because I think this country is giving you a lot enough peace for you to just go on your phone and call inhuman to your own country that's literally doing everything to protect you and fight for you. But the sad fact is war ho rahi hai, and the only thing I have for my country is all my prayers, and I expect same from you guys. because the least you can do is pray. And I hope it's not too much to ask for. I hope you guys just stay safe, and yeah, I love you. See you in the next one.